Hi, Kirk. I hear you're coming to Warsaw, Poland on June 12th and 13th to deliver a workshop focused acceptance and commitment therapy, general principles and applications to mental dysfunction and suicidal behaviors. Who's this workshop for?
It's really for anybody who is a psychotherapist or who is interested in learning more about the ACT model, the focused acceptance and commitment therapy approach, which is a brief version of ACT, and people who want to get more effective or feel more effective in working with suicidal patients.
Okay. And what can I expect to learn?
Well, we'll go through the processes of psychological inflexibility and suffering, which is basic to the ACT framework, and also what the pillars of psychological flexibility are, and then kind of dive into how those processes, both the negative processes and positive ones, can create suicidal behavior, but it can also create a way out for people that are suicidal. So we use a lot of skill building uh, type educational methods, so role playing, demonstrations.
Cool. Is there any book I should read prior to coming?
There are three books I think that are probably really good reference points. One is my most recent book on assessment and treatment of the suicidal patient. It's called the Clinical Handbook for Assessment and Treatment of Suicidal Patients, just published by the American Psychiatric Press. There's behavior change, real behavior change in primary care, which is something Patty wrote along with a physician colleague. And that's the first book where the FACT model is detailed. And then the last reference would be Brief Interventions for Radical Change. That was written by myself, Patty Robinson, and Thomas Gustafson.